In the heart of a tropical jungle, Dragonfruit polished her pink scales and whispered, "Today's the day we find the Golden Smoothie. Awk treasure time, let's flap and zap." With a glittery map and claw, they soared through palm trees and glowing waterfalls, chasing sunlight and clues. Through tangled vines and coconut caves, they solved riddles written on banana leaves, each one sweeter than the last. According to the map, the smoothie's hidden beneath the rainbow reef. They dived into shimmering waters, bubbles swirling as they found a glowing golden blender beneath a coral arch. Awk, we did it, the legendary Golden Smoothie. And as they sipped their sparkling prize, they knew some treasures are even sweeter when shared.